Wait, what day is it? It's Christmas Eve! Hey guys and dolls, it's Tashira and it's Christmas Eve! Merry Christmas Eve, guys! So we missed a few vlogs here and there. We definitely did. Guys, I was like really tired. Some of the time I was like spending with family. But next year, we're gonna do all 25 days. But right now, you know, it is what it is. So guess what? I don't know. I don't remember what day Vlogmas this was supposed to be. I think like 19 or something. But it's gonna be happening today. I'm gonna show you some things that I got at the Bath & Body Works sale. They had a candle sale for $13.50. Yes, I know it's semi-annual sale now, but I needed to use my buy something for $10, get a free body care item. Since the candles were $13.50, I got one candle and one body care item, and I did it twice because you know you can use your paper coupon in store and online. So I got 'Twas the Night Before Christmas in the candle. I have never even like gotten this, or I don't think I've heard of it, but it smells like Santa's fresh baked cookies, a warm mug of milk with dashes of cinnamon and nutmeg, and of course with essential oils. This smells yummy like Christmas. So I was like, let me just go ahead and go over these because this has been sitting in a bag for like days because I fell behind on Vlogmas and I was like, I want to show it during Vlogmas. Oh yes, I'm burning this tonight. And then for my body care item, I got Wrapped in Vanilla, the Fine Fragrance Mist. Y'all, I did use this for like 2 days and I don't know what's up with the smell. It's not like projecting on me, but I'm gonna keep trying it. Maybe I need to shake it up, I don't know. And then, you know, this one was one that I was actually wanting during Candle Day, but I don't remember what happened. Oh, I didn't go shop actually in the stores on Candle Day, and I think this one was like not online or something. This is Pistachio and Toasted Vanilla. I don't even think I smelled this. This is so sad. That smells good. Oh my gosh. It's very pistachio-esque. It's like a sweet pistachio vanilla type scent. I mean, clearly in the name, but it smells really good. So I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna put them on my mantle. Well, mantle what? I'm gonna put them on my TV stand in a minute. And then for the free item, I got Wrapped in Vanilla and the body cream. People were saying online that the body cream smells way better than the mist. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. I'm gonna have to use these again. I don't know. It was real hyped up as the best vanilla ever that Bath & Body Works has ever had by, you know, some people. Not everyone says this. But I don't know. I'm gonna keep using it and I'll definitely let you guys know because of course I'll be doing more videos. Of course. But wait, I got some other items I want to show you. Okay, wait. I picked up some other things as well because I like using my CVS coupons. And one of them is a hair product. It went down to like $5. I needed something new for my hair because y'all, it was dry. This is why I have this, you know, holiday hair now instead of my actual natural hair because it was getting so dry. And I was like, I need a protective style. But does it look like my natural hair? You like it? Ooh. It's a lot. It's giving very much so Coming to America. But y'all, I'm just like so excited because I got like a lot of stuff I really wanted. Okay, this was basic. Well, not so basic. This is the Gold Bond Radiance Renewal Body Lotion. This is a thick lotion. This definitely keeps you moisturized. I like to use this along with an oil, but I think this is kind of like a must-have for the winter. Because for me, I know like on my back, on my legs and stuff, and thighs, I tend to get a lot of like really dry patches, as in like eczema. I probably need to put on some lotion right now on my hands. But this is bomb for me. I haven't even used it yet because I've been using, you know, just like some other creams and things. But yes, definitely try this out if you're really dry skinned, like most of us are in the winter. It has coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter. And it says it's, oh, is this exfoliating? Oh. It says it exfoliates and nourishes dry skin. I did not realize that. It has a gentle exfoliant in it. That's why it works so well. Okay. Wow. This is my second bottle of this and I am just now realizing that. Wow, okay. Then I also got the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Cleanser because guys, I have the foaming one and I don't know, it might be kind of drying my face out a little bit for the winter time. So I got the more gentle one. I'm going to see if this works well for removing makeup. I hope it does. Also, I did not want this big bottle, but this is what they had and I use coupons. Like I said, I like to use CVS coupons. You can use 3 coupons at CVS and I think this was like maybe $6 or $7 or something like that. So I was like, okay, with my coupons. So I'm really excited about this. I hear a lot of good things about the La Roche-Posay facial washes, so we're gonna put it in the shower and see what it does. And then I actually got 2 of these. One I started using because I had to wash my hair before I did this style here. This is the Eden Body Works Hydration Serum with Almond and Marshmallow. I did make one mistake because I didn't buy the actual leave-in because the leave-in was full price. This was $5, which is why I bought 2. I don't know, I was being really cheap, guys. I should have just bought the leave-in as well, but I'll get it later. So one side of my hair, I actually put only this, and it gave me some bomb curls. I really was supposed to record and kind of show you guys the curls, but you know, we'll do a whole wash day routine another time. On this other side, I did an actual leave-in. I don't remember what leave-in I used. I'm so sorry. I know for me, almond oil is something my hair really enjoys. It really likes it. It does well with it. And then marshmallow root helps me to detangle very easily. I did notice that I was able to get my fingers through my hair quite a bit easier than normal with this. I saw this in somebody's video and I was like, I'm gonna try that, girl. I'm gonna try it. So yeah, stay tuned for some videos, you know, on my hair. So y'all, I gotta go run some real quick errands for my mommy. Yeah, I know it's Christmas Eve. She needs some last minute stuff from the store. And I need a few items too. I need, you know, some snacks. We're gonna make s'mores dip tonight. So I gotta get these stuff for the s'mores. I don't know why I just shook like that. I just want some snacks for the house because I'm just gonna be chilling at the house for Christmas Eve. And yeah. So I'll be back soon. Bye. Whew, y'all. The errand life had me tired. I had to take a nap real quick. I had to come home, eat, and take a nap. But we're about to open my Christmas gift to myself. I got the Anthropologie Primrose Mirror Dupe. Yeah, I know this is just the box, but we're about to unbox it. Y'all, that was a struggle. I'm sweating, but I'm so happy I finally got it open. I knocked my photo on the ground, my little picture. Isn't this cute? I got it from Hobby Lobby before. Oh, I broke the back of it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put this probably up somewhere else because it's not gonna work there. But let's open this up. Ooh, oh my god. Y'all, I am gonna say this thing is like 60 pounds. I did not know that when I went to pick it up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ah! Here she goes. So cute. Y'all, she's so pretty. So this is Bae in full. Yes, y'all are about to see my whole room. Yeah, this is my little Christmas outfit. Well, Christmas Eve outfit. I don't know what I'm wearing on Christmas. For my PJs. Probably not gonna be in the house like that. But y'all, this is huge. Look. It's so big. Ah! It's beautiful. Y'all, I have been wanting this mirror for literally like months. Like, I don't know how long. It's always out of stock. But it suddenly came in stock. I happened to get on samsclub.com. This is from Sam's Club. Y'all, I'm just, I'm like a tiny little thing in this mirror. I'm so tiny. This is huge. I'm trying to get far back to like show the whole thing. Oh, yes. Yeah, so this is like $150 at Sam's Club. You will have to try to catch it. I just happened to like jump online and got it. And y'all, this will not fit in your car. I rolled up there in my little car and they were like, ma'am, no, this is not gonna fit in your car. And of course I was like, what? Are you sure? They're like, ma'am, no. And they rolled it right on back inside. So I was, you know, trying to find a truck, and then I was like, oh, Uber X or like Lyft. So I did an Uber XL and just slid it right on into the back of the truck. But y'all, getting it in the house, I did not know it was 60 pounds. I did not know. But yeah, you can find it at Sam's Club. It is the Anthropologie Primrose Mirror Dupe. That thing is like over $1,000, y'all. Over $1,000. But at Sam's Club, it's like $150, $160 something plus tax. So go get it if you like it, you know, if you want to. But yes, so happy with my Christmas present. I didn't know how it was gonna fit or where. I might end up turning it so I can take better photos, because I don't want all my photos to be me here at the end of my bed. So I'm probably gonna turn it after a while. This, I'm gonna have to move it, unfortunately. Yeah, this doesn't even look right there anymore. But yes! So excited! But y'all, I'm about to go watch something cute on Netflix. I don't know, go do something, probably eat again. And then chill, and then we'll make the s'mores dip. Okay, so I'll see you in a minute. So my dinner has now digested, and I'm all ready for my snack. Y'all, I just watched Glass Onion. I loved it. It was awesome. Now, I didn't necessarily like, you know, the whole storyline and kind of how it ended up. I expected a little more. I needed a little more to happen, but it was my type of movie. I really liked it. But anywho, it's snack time, and then I'm gonna watch another movie. So I have all my ingredients here. I have Hershey's chocolate, I got milk chocolate, and then I also got some Special Dark. So I just got 2 of each little bar. These are the XL bars. And I also got some Jet Puff S'mores marshmallows. These are like just big old marshmallows. I just got these little graham crackers and not the other circle cracker cookies. I forgot what they're called. But I'm gonna open up my chocolate. I think I'm gonna put like dark at the bottom and then milk chocolate at the top. So you need 2 layers of chocolate, and I wanted to do the cookies and cream, but I'm so glad I was not able to find it. For some reason they were out, and yeah, online people were saying that the cookies and cream was like burning up. So now I'm just gonna put a layer of marshmallows, and they fit perfectly. Oh, this is about to be so good. And also my oven has already been preheated to 400, so I'm gonna put this into the oven for about 10 minutes. Any longer and it's gonna burn, supposedly. So this looks beautiful and perfect. Ooh. Look at how beautiful that looks. Ooh. And then I got my graham crackers all ready. I did leave it a little longer than 10 minutes. Ooh, whoa, whoa. I left it a little longer than 10 minutes because I wanted to make sure the chocolate at the bottom was melted. Oh yeah, it's melted. Ooh. Ooh. This is beautiful. I'm gonna let it cool for a bit because I'm not trying to burn the roof of my mouth. But y'all, this is actually really good. I'm eating it. Mmm. And I'm gonna have some wine to go along with it. This is the Castello de Poggio. I'm not sure, but it's a Moscato, so it's a dessert wine. Well guys, I'm about to relax on the couch, enjoy my wine, and keep eating this because it's actually really good with the dark chocolate. I don't know about just milk chocolate, but that dark chocolate has it banging. Hey babies, Merry Christmas! So I'm a little bit behind. It is a smooth 1 p.m. Oh my goodness. So I'm about to get dressed real quick and then I gotta head out. I'm going to my bestie's house. Well, my bestie's family's house, which is pretty much my extended family. And then after that, I'm gonna go to my mommy's at like, probably like 3:30 because I still actually have to go pick up my mom from church. My church had some issues, so I didn't go this morning. But I'm gonna watch online in a little bit, probably at my mom's house. But yeah, let's get dressed and we gotta head out. So yes, I certainly am wearing clothes under my clothes because it's probably like 10 degrees out. I don't really know. So I'm wearing leggings under my little skirt here. This is just a bright pink skirt from Shein. And I'm gonna pull up my leggings a bit because yeah. So all of my little undergarment type things are from Forever 21. And since I did my makeup, I'm gonna do this little hack here. I gotta put my scarf on my face and then put on my turtleneck. And hopefully I didn't get any makeup on it. I hope not. I'm kind of getting it on there now. But okay, it's okay. Whew, praise the Lord. I kind of want to wear a chain belt with this, but I don't know, because my earrings are about to be really extra. My earrings are from gialafrance.com. I think they're absolutely perfect for today's outfit. And I'm not sure if she sells them anymore actually, but hopefully she has them on her site still. For my scent of the day, I'm using Oil Perfumery's Cosmoretti Lyra 1888. This smells like lemon pound cake, and it's gonna have people absolutely sniffing me and being like, oh my god, give me a hug. So for my boots, I just decided on these tote booties from Steve Madden. They're gonna be cute, they're not too tall or anything, and they match perfectly. And my little coat here, well, okay, my big coat, it's a wool trench coat. It's from ASOS and it is very warm. But guys, I'm about to get ready to go. I got all my little gifts here. I just threw them in like these bags to make them easier to carry. And I'm taking a cheesecake to my besties. This has pumpkin swirl, tuxedo, pecan pie, and cranberry swirl. I think this is gonna be so fire. Ooh, okay. But I will see you guys later. I'll come back in the evening, show you if I got any gifts, you know, all of that. Mwah. Hey boo things, so I'm back home and I am tired. I know I look it. I had so much fun hanging with my family, friends. It was just a beautiful, beautiful time. I am exhausted, but I'm also super happy and full of joy. But really quick, before I go to sleep, well, actually I have to hop in the shower, then I'm gonna burn a candle and probably eat some snacks, some of the s'mores dip from the other day. Ooh. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got. This was the most thoughtful, like sweetest gift ever. So first of all, I want some cozy socks. I love socks, especially cozy socks in the winter. These are super cute. I won these like during a game time. Woo! And then, if you know me, you know that I love tea. So I got some mint peach tea. This is super cute. And then also the strainer for the tea. I think that's what it's called. I'm not quite sure. But you know the thing that you put the tea in and then you can allow it to steep. This is super cute. And also, I got some oven mitts because clearly I'm always putting something in and out of the oven. But these are super cute. They have like some snowflakes. I absolutely love them. They're adorable. To go along with my tea, I got this super cute mug. And it matches the oven mitts too. It says, our unity is our strength and our diversity is our power. Kamala Harris. VP Kamala Harris. This is super duper cute. I absolutely love all of my gifts and all of the beautiful family time that I was able to spend today. I'm so happy that everybody is healthy, everybody is safe, because there was like a little mini little emergency in my very immediate family, but I'm so happy that everybody's safe, that everything is good. And I'm wishing you and your family a very happy holiday, happy new year. I hope you had a beautiful, beautiful Hanukkah, Christmas, and Kwanzaa season. Sending so much love and joy to you all. And I'm about to head to the shower and then hop into bed. But I'll see you guys next time.